Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to Warsak Engineering and Survey. This is the second tutorial of Autocad Basic. Today I am going to discuss about status bar. Before starting video, please subscribe my channel Warsak Engineering and Survey. Let's start. Status bar available at the right bottom of the screen. It consists of many tools, but the most important one is customization button. When we click on it, here opens in another window. This window consists of many tools. We can add these all tools to this status bar, and we can also remove these all tools from this status bar. When we check on, the tools appear here. When we check off, the tool disappear from here. Now I will try to discuss some of them. Here, first one is coordinate. We can add this coordinate and remove to this status bar. It shows the coordinate of any point like this. When we want to move the cursor, the coordinate change because the location change. ENZ coordinate shows here. The second one is model. This is model. We can change this to paper space. When we click on it, now this change to paper space. If we want to go back to model, we will write in the command box MODEL and enter. By default, Autocad model is on. The third one is grid mode. We can on and off grid. This is grid mode. The grid mode is nothing but it is an imaginary line. This is the major line you can see, and this is the minor. Every major line box consists of 5 small boxes, 5 vertically and 5 horizontally. We can change these numbers and space from here. Right in the command box OS enter. With the drop-down setting open, go to snap and grid. From here we can change the number of small boxes and spaces from here and here. Fourth one is dynamic input. When here the color is changed to blue, it means this tool is on. What is dynamic input? When we on dynamic input, now you can see here extra features add to crosshair, angle, distance, and other imaginary line you can see. When we off, now you can see there is no extra feature to this crosshair. When we on this dynamic input, the command line go to sleep mode, and all the command and command list appear near the crosshair. This is the function of dynamic input. First one is ortho mode. What is the function of ortho mode? The function of ortho mode is to change the behavior of line. For example, now the ortho mode is off, and I am going to draw a line. I can draw a line with each angle, but when I on the ortho mode, now I know here the behavior of the line change. I can draw a line only vertical or horizontal. Vertical or horizontal. You can see. I hope this is enough for today. Please comment and share.